don't remember what I needed in here. We're gonna go out here and get the tender engine all set up and oiled up and gear oiled up, and I think we might just take the tender out for a little bit and break the engine in. 10-hour break in, but I'd like to start that process. So I don't have my mic on, so you guys are close. I'd like to start that process. I was looking for something in here and I forgot what it was. I got you guys. I forgot you at first, but we're coming now. And but anyways, let's get the tender worked out with the bugs and take it for a ride and start breaking the engine in. We'll set up a time lapse and service up that outboard. This is a 2024 Suzuki 20 horse we bought brand new for this whole adventure here. You know, we also got the Polycraft tender, obviously, but these ship with no fluid in them, no gear oil, no engine oil. So this is the process right here, filling it up with the recommended gear oil and engine oil and getting it ready to mount on the tender. The process for filling up the gear oil is really simple. You have two large flathead screws on the same side of the lower unit. You just attach the pump tool to the lower screw hole and pump gear oil in until it comes out the top one. Then put your top screw in to create a bit of an anti-siphon or drain, and take your tool out of the bottom of your pump and get that other one in. There's going to be some mess. You can't avoid it, so make sure you have some rags handy. I don't so. Well, I think that's where we're going to have to wrap up this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment, subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. If you are really enjoying the content, you can always join the crew over on patreon.com. There's perks and bonuses and merch and incentives to being a member there, but it's all explained over on the page on patreon.com, Sailing UV. In real time this week we did pick up the transmission, so we'll have that in soon, and at least the boat will be mobile under its own power. And again, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Hope you're enjoying the content, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all the adventures coming up.